Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to clear browsing data in the last 7 days in Chrome on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process to effectively clear your browsing data. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome on your computer. Step 2. Look for the 3 dots icon at the top right corner and click on it. This will open the Chrome menu. Step 3. From the options, select Settings. Step 4. In the Settings menu, click on Privacy and Security. Step 5. Locate and click on Clear Browsing Data. Step 6. In the Time Range box, click on the drop-down menu and select Last 7 days. Step 7. Now, you will see different options such as Clear Browsing History, Cookies and other site data, and Cached images and files. Click on the boxes next to these choices to turn them blue. If they are already blue, you don't need to click on anything. Step 8. Finally, click on Clear Data at the bottom to remove the selected browsing data from the last 7 days. By following these simple steps, you can easily clear your browsing data in Chrome on your PC within the last 7 days.